and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope that all of you are doing great and wonderful and planning on to be special for your Christmas and New Year's coming up. So all I wanted for this video particularly is that all you can do is pamper up your skin. You might get holidays from your office, you might get some me time, so why not pamper your skin? So in today's video, I have brought up some amazing products for you, and I'll also show how to use that particular product. But to begin with today's video, I'll say that Nature's Essence has been kind and generous enough to send me of these wonderful facial kits, and these are just amazing. So without any further ado, let's move on with today's video. So Nature's Essence has sent me 5 of their kits. Now I'm gonna use show it to you guys as to how I am using one of their kits. So I'll just quickly begin with brightening and diamond facial kit. There's flawless papaya facial kit. This is like a fruit facial kit. Then we have gentle fruit facial kit, and then we have glowing gold facial kit, and the one which I'm gonna try for you guys is this whitening pearl facial kit. So there are 5 facial kits, and each facial kit has it's written 1, 2, 3, 4, each steps is segregated. This is the beginning, before you use this facial kit you have to use this. So this is kind of a D10 therapy wipe off mask. So everything I'll be showing to you guys. And this particular facial kits are 3 use only. You can use this particular facial kit for 3 uses, and it is MRP at rupees 260. So if you calculate enough, each facial kit is only for rupees 80. Can you just imagine, only at rupees 80, at the comfort of your home, at your own comfort space, you can just go ahead and do any try out any of these facial kits, because Christmas is coming and New Year's is coming. You are supposed to go out with a family or friends, any trips or something, and a little bit of self pampering won't cause any trouble, I think. So one major good thing about this particular facial kit is that the overall process or the steps are segregated. So it does not have to be you have to undergo some paper or directions or anything. It's just there in front of your plate, and you just have to put it and apply it on your face, and that's it, and nothing else. It's so hassle free, because while I was applying it, I didn't face any difficulties. I had to reach out to that particular, what is the next step, what is which one to use next. It's all sorted. You open up a box and it's sorted for you. You don't have to go to someone, or you don't have to go and check out their app or anything to see what's the next step or what's the next process all about. So it's amazing, and you guys can see that I have no makeup, literally no makeup on my face, not even eyeliner, no kajal, nothing. I've just used Ellatine Berry Bestie, and that's it, and nothing else. Look at the glow on my face, guys. Just look at the glow. So you you can use any of this, because festive season, I mean to say that Christmas and New Year's and everything, you are supposed to get a lot of invites, a lot of weddings. So this glowing gold facial kit is one of my favorites, and this brightening one is also. There's this brightening diamond facial kit. So suppose you have a wedding, and one good thing about this is, suppose you have a friend's wedding or any cousin's wedding or anything, you can just gift them this particular gift set which contains 5 of these facial kits, and it will be an amazing gift for them, because they can self pamper themselves whenever they are having some me time. So it won't take much time, 20 minutes or 15 minutes or half an hour max. So that half an hour will be dedicated solely to you, or solely to the person whom you will be gifting. So it's an amazing, it's pros everywhere. There's no cons at all. So that is the main reason why I came up to YouTube, and I thought that, okay, so I have to do this, I have to spread the word around, and I have to share it with you guys, so you guys can also enjoy the same which I am enjoying, rather, because this whole November, December and January is all about making cakes at home, and spending some quality time with your family. And you can even pamper your mom, you can even pamper your aunt, or anybody you feel like. Just give them one pack and do the facial for them. They'll be happy, and they'll be gifting you, or rather treating you with some delicious food. So understand my point. So it has got like everything is written over here. So it has got the first one which I talked about is the D10 therapy. Like that's a mask which you're supposed to apply before you even use any of the like step 1 or step 2. So that is like pre-facial prep, that is for D10 therapy. The second one is cleansing. Of course you all know that cleansing is very essential part of any facial done. Exfoliate, lighten and then polish. And you can just see the example from my face that zero makeup, and this is how my skin is glowing. Now I have used whitening pearl facial kit. So I love the packaging. However, I really love the packaging. It's not that these things are very flimsy. It's really good quality, and the amount which is there, it's like you can use this particular box for 3 times, but it's like super amazing. And the way it is packed, the way everything is displayed in front of your eyes, it's just so sorted. I'm just terribly happy with their amazing packaging, with their whole thought process, and how they have segregated each. And the one major thing is that we all know that there's a new strain going on, and it's actually risky for people to go out and then do any sort of facial or hair color. Even like you can do hair colors at your home nowadays. So I felt that this was really needed, and it's like so handy, and it's affordable. Now one major thing is that it's super affordable. Like for 260 rupees you can do it for like 3 times, so that is coming like 80 rupees per facial. Now if you go to any parlor, or if you book an facial for like from Urban Clap, would you be getting it for 80 rupees? I really doubt that. So please let me know in the comment section down below as to how you did found out this idea, and like I genuinely want you guys to try it. It's just for 260 rupees, and like you can use it one time, your mom can use it one time, your aunt can use it one time, and like 80 rupees for each. It's sorted, it's like done. Just choose which one you are inclined towards to, because there are like so many variants to choose from. Glowing gold, brightening diamond, this one is amazing. Gentle fruit, and then we have the flawless papaya. So you can choose from any, or you can order 5 of them and then gift it to somebody. It's just up to you, it's your choice. So I just hope that this video has been helpful for you guys, and this video has maximum reach, so that the words go about and then it spreads across, and you guys can enjoy the same amount of enjoyment and excitement I am having right now. So yeah. Hi, I hope you enjoyed today's video and you found this video helpful enough, because I literally have no makeup on my skin. I have just used L18 lipstick, and that's it. Like, look at the glow on my face after using that particular facial kit. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and all the links will be mentioned in the description box down below. The special coupon and everything will be mentioned, so please don't forget to check out the description box even. So till then, stay safe, and I'll make sure to bring to you guys some amazing me time special kind of treats for you guys, and also some amazing haul is coming up, so stay tuned because Purple has been kind enough. Oops, I just spilled a bean for you guys. So anyways, stay tuned and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.